Hey guys, how's it going? It's Alice. Welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are having a decent fucking day. It's the holidays, so that means we have to be happy. We have to spend money. Just kidding. I don't want to promote that type of bullshit because I know it's gotta be really hard for a lot of, it is hard. It's hard for me, it's hard for you, it's hard for everybody. Not only to be happy, but also to spend money. But I wanted to do a little favorites gift guide, just shit that I like. Stuff that I actually like and use video. In case you need something to ask for Christmas, maybe you and I have the same taste. Or if you just want to treat yourself, or if you know somebody like me, and you just need some suggestions of shit that they might like, I'm here for you, okay? Right off the bat, if you are looking for cute, gothy clothing and housewares, and you also want to support me in the process, you can certainly check out cadavercult.com. I'm wearing one of our new shirts here. So this is the Goddess long sleeve. It's so freaking soft. It's like the softest. It's not a heavy weight shirt. It's very soft. So my cup is also available as well. You check out my merch, okay? It would be weird if I didn't plug my merch. Moving on. Okay, so let's do some makeup and beauty stuff. Actually, a lot of this stuff is going to be pretty random. Everything's going to be linked below. A lot of it is affiliate links, because if I'm going to link anything in my description, I'm going to find an affiliate link for it. But I am not affiliated with all of these brands. You know, some of the stuff I bought, some of the stuff isn't PR. Fragrance makes a great gift. I know it's difficult to talk about fragrance in a YouTube video because you guys can't smell it, but I want to suggest the brand Dossier. Basically, they reproduce high-end iconic fragrances in these kind of generic but classy and unisex looking bottles. By doing that, they cut a lot of the cost down, and so you can get like a really nice fragrance that's kind of like a dupe for a higher end one for a cheaper price. And if you don't like it, you can send it back for a full refund and it's no big deal. But anyway, I want to spritz myself. Oh my god, this is my new favorite scent of all time. Fruity Magnolia. It smells so fresh and classy. I had Jenny come over and she's obsessed with this one too. Fragrance makes a great gift because it's something that you use probably almost every day. It makes you smell good, makes you feel good, and you can think of the person that gave it to you, or like they can think of you every time they use it. Next up, for the makeup lovers, I want to suggest the Colourpop Stone Cold Fox eyeshadow palette. This is what I used on my eyes today. It is an absolutely gorgeous eyeshadow palette that has a bunch of cool tone shades in it. I love it. You can use this every single day for a really, really long time and not need to reach for another palette. That's what I absolutely love about these big Colourpop palettes. Also, I can't forget the Stone Cold Fox brush roll set. I swear to God, I use the Colourpop brushes every single day. Anytime I do my makeup, they're perfect, they're soft, they're high quality, they're vegan, cruelty-free, gorgeous, stunning. They really nail it with the brushes. So another beauty item-ish is my makeup mirror. You can see all of my stuff. Oh goodness, how do people show off mirrors? Okay, I'll point it at the ceiling. Really sturdy, heavy duty. It has a metal little adjustable stand head thingy. And check this out. Ta-da! It has a light. There's a little button back here. It turns on the light, and then you can change the temp. Oh, did I turn it off? Yeah. Light's on. You can change the temperature. It does daylight, cool, and then warm. You might not be able to tell because it's so freaking bright in my room, but it has some controls back here, so you can do this and it'll lighten it or darken it. It is so cool. It's touch activated, touch powered. And I forgot to mention, it comes with a little magnifying magnetic boop, right there. So you can get real up close and personal. Another beauty item. I want to mention where I get my lashes from. These are from Amazon. It's a big ass pack of lashes. They come like this. These are the lashes that I've been using consistently for a while now. They're very big. I basically just search for, I'm giving you a side profile so you can see the drama. I go on Amazon, search for 3D fake lashes. And then just find the biggest ones you can possibly get. I will link below the ones that I use. But a lot of you guys ask me where I get my lashes from, and I just hunt around on Amazon for a big bulk pack of some cheap ones, and that's it. Final makeup item that I'm going to talk about. I'm an affiliate with Pure Lease, but I have to include their BB cream in my ultimate favorite gift guide, you know, whatever. Their BB cream is the hands down best foundation that I've used probably literally in the last year. I'm not even kidding. And I do get sent PR from some higher end, some drugstore. I've tried Wet n Wild, I've tried Huda Beauty, I've tried Laura Mercier, I've tried Milk, I've tried, Jesus, I mean, I have an entire drawer. I keep going back to the Pure Lease BB cream. I can't. It's hydrating, it lasts all day, it looks stunning on my skin. You can powder it and it doesn't get too dry. They came out with an illuminating version, which is the pink one, or you could just do the regular Perfect Glow BB cream. It has SPF 30 in it. I have a discount code with them, so I do get a little bit of commission if you buy from them, but it would, if it's not good, then I'm not going to talk about it, and it's the best. Unfortunately, I'm not wearing it today because I do try to test out new foundations so that I have new stuff to talk about. And I hate how my skin looks. Lots of foundations are going to look good on the teenagers, the early 20s. But as you progress in life, you're going to need different formulas. And I'm telling you, a lot of foundations that maybe I could have used 5-10 years ago and they would look great, like they just don't look good on me now, especially forehead area. But that is why I can't stop using this, and I just need you guys to try it. It is the GOAT, hands down, greatest of all time. It's the best foundation, period. The next couple things are going to be pretty random. So I work from home, editing, things like that, and a lot of people are working from home nowadays, and I have been using a standing desk for a while now. Actually, I film with a standing desk, and I got it ages ago, and it's a crank. It's from IKEA. You crank it up. Then they started coming out with, you know, different brands started doing the standing desks, and you can get motorized ones. So now the one that I have for editing, things like that, is by a brand called Autonomous. Gare has one as well. If you currently work from home, if you're at your computer for a really long time, if you're doing homework, things like that, if you can, or if, let's say, if you're planning on investing in a desk or a table, or your parents or whoever, highly suggest checking out a standing desk because it will change your life. Just being able to stand up while you do your work, you're gonna feel better. It's the long-term benefits outweigh the fact that it does cost more than just a regular table. I'll put down in the description, I think I have like a referral, like a discount that I can give out because I'm a previous customer. But yeah, I can't say enough good things. And I'm telling you, before COVID, I feel like people thought we were crazy with the whole standing desk thing. But now everybody's working from home, and it's like, welcome to the standing desk club. Now, when you have a standing desk, you might want to be able to work out a little bit, right? You're just standing there. Sometimes you get tired of just standing. And that's just straight up an excuse. I don't like having to work out. I don't like having to do cardio. I don't like having to use the treadmill. I need something to distract myself, and I'm a workaholic. So we got an under the desk treadmill. I'm telling you guys, it's amazing. It's just a treadmill without the bar, without the handle, the And so it has a remote, and you can walk and you can work. It's really cool when you just hop up, you know, you're waking up, you're tired, have your coffee, and instead of just plopping down in your desk chair, pop your tennis shoes on, raise up your standing desk, turn on the treadmill, and you're walking. And you're getting exercise before you even know it. It's the best. So the treadmill is nice, but if you want to step it up a notch, if you want to step it up a notch, literally, a stair stepper. And you can just tuck it under the standing desk, or you could use it without the standing desk, of course, but it's just a little stair stepper. And after a few minutes, you are gonna be feeling the burn, honey. Last but not least, in fact, last but probably most important, sleeping is my new favorite thing, and I've been on the hunt for a really comfy soft duvet cover. That sounds crazy. Long story short, I found two really nice duvet covers, and I wanted to share them. So this first one, I'm gonna put the picture up because I'm not gonna show you the bed right now because, I mean, the picture looks way better than my bed could ever look because it's made and stuff. How cute is this duvet cover? It looks like Beetlejuice. It's like black and white striped, and it's absolutely adorable. Comes with 2 pillowcases and then the duvet with a zipper. How freaking cute is that? It's a little scratchy, so I'm in the process of kind of like washing it a few times. The other one is called Sleep Zone Bedding Duvet. Super cheap. It comes with pillowcases as well. Cool. They're probably in my laundry somewhere. I hate putting away laundry. Anyway, this one is like a brushed microfiber finish. It's the softest freaking thing you will ever feel. It reminds me a lot of some really expensive sheets that I got from Costco. What was the brand of that one? I'm gonna put it in post, but you don't need to wash it in order to soften it up. It's so soft. I'm saying soften. Gare makes fun of me for saying that. Soften. Is it soften or soften? Because I just feel like it's like often, you know? You don't just take out the T because it's soft, soften. You don't just take out the T because you feel like it. That's not. Anywho, I think that's gonna wrap it up for this favorites video. I know it's kind of like a random assortment of stuff. This is my life now, so maybe it's not the most bougie favorites video, but this is stuff that I literally use every single day, and I wanted to share it and just include it in case you guys are shopping, in case you want to get stuff that doesn't suck, you know? So yeah, hopefully you guys found this video helpful. If you have any favorites or gift ideas, suggestions, things like that, put them in the comments because I want to hear them, and I feel like other people might want to as well. Thank you for watching. I love you, and I'll see you next time. Bye.